Trump is the elected president, and one thing he discusses quite frequently are tariffs, especially on China. But this is not a political video. This is just to arm you with some knowledge to discover manufacturers in USA should you choose. I'm going to give you 2 supplier websites to access American suppliers and a bonus website at the end, so stay tuned. Hi, my name is Azain and I'm from LandingCube. We help sellers easily and quickly create landing pages for off Amazon advertising on Google, TikTok, and Facebook. So let's get started. So the first website that I would like to show you guys is thomasnet.com. So if you go to thomasnet.com, this is the front page right here. It's a very, very helpful website. You can search by category, company, or brand. But if you're looking to shop around and you don't have a company or brand in mind, at the top left, click for buyers and supplier discovery. Here you can type in the product and service that you're looking for. So let's say, just for example, you're looking for candles because that's what you sell on Amazon. And it gives you opportunities to drill down even further, but I'm just going to go generally candles. And then you can add some filters, but I'm not going to do that yet, but we will go over them soon. So here you are. Here are a list of candle suppliers in USA. You can see this one's in Illinois, this one's in Texas, this one's in Florida, and so on and so forth. So plenty of manufacturers in America to choose from. It's not exactly like Alibaba. One thing that Alibaba has is that they often show the price per unit up front on these types of websites. But unfortunately for these, you will have to contact a manufacturer. But if you click, let's say this S-Bodhi, let's explore what they do here. So custom manufacturer of scented jar candles, and you can request for information. This usually just means contacting them and telling them what you're looking for. And you can often visit their website. So in this case, their website actually shows the cost of some of their products. I'm assuming these are per unit, but I'm not entirely sure. I'm not in the candle industry myself, but you get the idea, guys. This is a very helpful website to find multiple manufacturers. But my favorite thing about this website is the filters available. So they have similar featured suppliers and their own badges that they can offer their manufacturers and listed suppliers, similar to Alibaba. I'm sure these are based on some sort of quality standard, and you can iron out or drill down by company type, custom manufacturer, distributor, so on and so forth. But this is where the really cool things start. So you can have a company that can state their origin declaration. So if the product is made in the USA, if you can claim that on Amazon listings or on your product manufacturing or in your marketing campaigns, it's very powerful to claim these things. Americans love buying their own products. Quality certifications, ISO, these are typically regulatory requirements. So a lot easier to jump through regulatory hoops, especially if it's made in America, because they're going to be the most familiar with American regulatory standards. And it even has things like specific declarations like ownership diversity, minority ownership, veteran owned, woman owned. Amazing for marketing campaigns, guys. If you have a product that services any one of these demographics, then this is incredibly useful to use. And it has other certifications as well. I don't really know what all of these certifications are for, but if you are in the industry for which any of these are required, amazing tool here. You don't have to go out of your way to acquire them if they already have them as a standard for their products, if your products need them for the specific industry that you're working in. And then basically you can also filter by the state that they're in. And I guess it also includes Canada, because British Columbia is a province of Canada, not a state of USA. So that's kind of cool too. And, you know, something I should note is that American suppliers tend to be more expensive than Chinese suppliers. But if tariffs come to pass, maybe it will be cheaper. I don't know, just speculation. So something you would like to consider. And if you like this kind of content, guys, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest Amazon news. So the next website I would like to cover is wholesalecentral.com. All right. So here we are, Wholesale Central. I can't even say Wholesale Central without saying Seller Central, just kind of force of habit here. Anyways, so if you go to wholesalecentral.com, this is what the front page looks like. And right off the bat, you can basically pick based off of the industry that you're into, pet supplies, lawn garden, but they also have Amazon FBA supplier specifically. So clearly they already cater to Amazon FBA sellers. So if we click that, it takes us to a kind of a giant directory of different suppliers available. Personally, I don't think this website is as good as the first one, as ThomasNet, just because the filters are kind of limited. You can filter based on location and you can filter based on supplier type. And interestingly, you can filter on price point, but it's not a dollar value. It is I guess, category. So you can do off price, which I'm assuming are sales, a value price, which is cheap or budget products, mid range, and upscale. And then based on the brand or the supplier, you can visit their website or call them. They kind of force you on the website where then you can contact the suppliers individually. Now, this one was in the general Amazon FBA suppliers category, so I'm not quite sure what they sell, office supplies and electronics, which is kind of vague. So I think it's just better to go based off of the actual products that you are selling. So if you're selling pet supplies, you can click that. Similar filters, and whichever one is appealing to you, click multiple. Like I said, always look for 20 to 30 suppliers. You can go to website and see what you're looking for. You know, filtering by location can be really useful, just because if you are able to filter by location based on the state that you're selling in, it just reduces shipping costs in the long run. So something very helpful if it's something you want to consider. Now, I did promise you guys I would give you a bonus website, but just before the bonus website, I want to tell you guys about our book, which can help you massively improve your profitability through PPC optimizations. So check it out. If you want to learn more on how you can optimize Amazon PPC, you can get a free copy of our ebook, The Ultimate Guide to Amazon Ads, Advanced Tactics and Best Practices. This book has received a 4.8 out of 5-star rating on Amazon and has helped beginners and advanced sellers alike. Click the link in the description below to sign up to our emailing list and receive a free copy. All right, so here we are, the final website. This is a really cool website. I really like this one. It's called importyeti.com. This isn't exactly a directory of search results of suppliers. What this is that it reverse searches suppliers of popular brands that you would know already. So, for example, you sell beauty products. What you can type in is Fenty Beauty, which is Rihanna's brand, and press enter. And this website actually shows you who their suppliers are. I don't know exactly if they are keeping up daily. So most recent shipment was September 27th, it says, which is not too long ago. Presumably, they're probably still in business together, but you never really know. Regardless, if you know that Fenty Beauty is using these top suppliers, then you can more or less guarantee the kind of quality that you would get from them. As for pricing and working with them, you obviously would have to contact them directly. So if you Google search it, Gotha Cosmetics seems to be a supplier of Fenty Beauty. Here they are. This is their website. You can contact them and things like that. And of course, it's not just beauty products. It could be any product. Let's say you are in the combat sports equipment industry. So Fairtex, which is a popular brand for equipment. It's a Thai brand. So if we search it, we get these products. Combat brands, that's their top customers. Fairtex equipment, I guess maybe they are their own supplier and their own manufacturer, but you guys get the point that I'm trying to make here. It's super, super useful. And like, just by being able to search for the suppliers of popular brands that you know have a certain quality reputation already can help you build your own branding when you have a quality supplier backing it up. If you're looking to build a landing page or collect emails to build your brand audience, check out LandingCube. We're a landing page builder for all your off-Amazon marketing needs, such as Google, TikTok, and Facebook. Click the link in the description below for a free 21-day trial. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. And I really hope you like this video. Once again, like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.